Hijita, did you know that there was 4 seasons? Yes. Do you know what they are? Let's test her. One is summer. That's right. Summer. Fall. Fall. Spring. Spring. Very good, ovejita. There's one more. Uno más. I don't know. Well, let's go over. There's spring, summer, fall, and winter. Oh, I like winter. Yes. So today, let's talk right now. Beautiful night. Very nice evening. I said noche. Noche. Noche is night. So it's night out. You hear all the animals. Ovejita. What's the matter now? I don't like this sound. Oh. Which one? That big? That's a coyote. Coyote. Can you say coyote?
Coyote.
I don't like coyotes. Why? Coyotes like you? Yes, I know. But doesn't everybody like you, ovejita? Yes, but not everybody likes to eat me. Coyotes eat me, ovejita. Oh. Hi. ¿Cómo están?
Muy bien.
Qué bueno. Do you hear los pájaros? Do you hear the birds?
Sí.
Yes. It's a beautiful summer morning. Can you say summer being verano?
Verano.
Muy bien. Verano with a V? That's right. V. Verano. Verano. That's right. So it's a beautiful summer morning. The sun is out. El sol. Can you say sol?
Sol.
Yes, that is sun. It's all bright and shiny today. One thing we like to do is go and capture butterflies. Can you say mariposas?
Mariposas.
What's mariposas? Mariposas is butterflies. Oh, I knew that. Yes, mariposas are butterflies. So why don't we go and start catching butterflies? Okay, Emma. Whoa, I see it. You see it? Oh, I see it. Go. Oh, whoa. Almost. Those are not butterflies. They're leaves. Leaves in Spanish is hojas. Hojas. That's right. Oh, if the leaves are falling, do you know what that means? What does it mean? Well, that means that fall is coming. Autumn and fall in Spanish is otoño. Otoño? I don't know what the kids can say otoño. Well, let's try. Can you say otoño?
Otoño.
Yes, that's fall. Can you say hojas?
Hojas.
What's hojas? Hojas is leaves. The leaves that fell from the tree are hojas. One thing we like to do is rake our leaves as a family. Why don't we go and get our rake? How do you say rake? question, Ovejita. Rake is rastillo. Can you say rastillo?
Rastillo.
Muy bien. Ah, that's a good R. That's right. Emma? Yes, it's kind of getting chilly. That comes with the fall. It's getting chilly. Why don't we go get warmer clothes on? We'll be right back. You go get your warm jackets. We'll see you soon. Hey, we got our rastillos. Did you get your rake?
Sí.
Muy bien. Our rastillos? Yes. So now what we're going to do with our rakes, we're going to stay in the front and then move our way to the backyard. Okay? And then we'll be raking the leaves. You ready? Okay, I'll help you. Thank you. We can do this as a family. We can. Emma, do you hear that? I think it's raining. A storm is coming. Una tormenta? Yes, I see lightning and everything. Can you say tormenta?
Tormenta.
Muy bien. Tormenta. Heavy rain starts happening. Whoa, it's hailing. Hail, granizo. Yes, it's hailing. So what we need to do is hurry up and take cover. Hail can get small as marbles and as big as a softball. Vamos a la casa. Let's go to the house. Okay, see y'all next time. Take cover. The hail's here. That was a wild storm. Hope you guys were inside. Me too. Ooh, it's cold. Are you cold? It's cold. It's cold. Here, let me help you. We're all bundled up today because, well, you know, I see snow everywhere. Nieve is snow. That's right. Can you say nieve?
Nieve.
Muy bien. That's snow. Brr. When the snow comes, that means it's winter. Do you know how to say winter? I don't know, Emma. Can you tell us? Winter is invierno. Can you say invierno?
Invierno.
Muy bien. Invierno. Yeah, that's winter. Oh, that's what we get to do with the snow. I don't know. We get to build snowmen. Oh, so in the winter we do snowmen in the snow. Yes, but you have to bundle up and get your abrigos. Can you say abrigo?
Abrigo.
That's right. That's a coat. So, let's practice. What is this? Snowman. What was it in Spanish? Muñeco de nieve. Good job. Can you say muñeco de nieve?
Muñeco de nieve.
Muy bien. Do you see it snowing? I want to catch it in my mouth. Are you sure? Yeah. Yeah. That beautiful bird. Okay, get your abrigos and go play in the snow today. Spring! Primavera! It's raining! Spring is here. Can you say primavera? Primavera! Good job, ovejita. And rain, can you say lluvia? Lluvia! Yeah, stay under the umbrella so you don't get wet. Wow! I love the rain. raining, ovejita? I'll check. Seems pretty dry. It's dry. Nice. Now, you want to know what we like to do in the spring? In la primavera? Right. We like to plant. You got your seeds ready? Can you say semillas, ovejita? Semillas. Right. Go get your seeds and get them ready. You want to get a pot just like this. Pot? What's in it? Tierra. Can you say tierra? Tierra? Can you say tierra?
Tierra.
That's right. That's dirt. Let me see. Hold the pot. Okay. See? You see it? Dirt. So you want to get your soil ready. You want to get your seeds and put them in. Put some water. Put it in the sun. And just wait. Esperar? Yes, wait with patience. Paciencia. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. Hi, have you waited?
Sí.
Yes. And after we planted our seeds, guess what we got? A flower. Can you say flor?
Flor.
That's right. I want to smell the floor. Okay. I like it. It smells great. Oh, I love spring. La primavera. Me encantan las flores. Why don't you go and check your pots and see what flowers came up for you? Enjoy your spring.